drive up to the top of Telegraph Hill, and you have some
That's right.
views of San Francisco and the Bay, and of course the North Bay, the East Bay, Golden Gate, and
Yeah.
Bay Bridges. It's a very lovely place to spend some time enjoying the view. We'll be coming once again along the waterfront, passing all these piers. We'll hit Pier 39, Fisherman's Wharf, on out past Aquatic Park, to Marina Green, Chrissy Field, and of course the Golden Gate Bridge, which we will momentarily see off in the distance. Once again, don't forget to visit all 3 of our food stations, and don't forget to add any celebration you might be having today to
I'll put your name on the list of celebrations. Don't worry.
yeah. Those announcements in about 10 to 12 minutes. So if you'd like your celebration acknowledged, do add your name to the list. About 10 or 12 minutes, we will make all the announcements.
5 años juntos. Yes, sir.
Yeah. What day is today?
The 22nd. I came pretty close. No, he's a very nice man.
Yes.
You know what I mean? He is. And because it's hard to find a nice man in South America. Lena would, the same comments you made about Brazilian men, she made about men from Argentina. They're all playboys. Yeah. I remember that from years ago.
I'm happy and like it.
No, I didn't. Because